are you doing? Just wanted to say hi. I just arrived at the Royalton Cancun in the hotel zone in Cancun, Mexico. I am here for a President's Club retreat, so very excited to be here. And thank you all for your great support and helping me be able to enjoy this event. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek of my room here at the Royalton. Just opened in February, so it's a very new resort and awesome. So take a peek. First thing, this is so cool, you don't have any cards. So no room keys, don't have to worry about losing them. That is your room key, so come on in. This is a family suite, so it works really great if you have a family, couple of kids, mom, dad. Really nice big bathroom that has a separating wall, which is awesome. Huge shower. Separate restroom area. Nice wall separating it. And then you have a little family area, which is really cool. A little sofa. This one is a sofa bed. So that's kind of a nice little perk if you need to pull that out for kids. Really big closet area that also has a safe, which is always really important to have in these resorts. So nice safe, slippers, steamer, great little desk, working area. And then you come in here to the master suite, the master bedroom. This is a really important feature, so if mom and dad want a little bit of privacy, it does have sliding walls. So the kids can be out in this section, and you can have the bedroom separate. So that's really nice when you're traveling with family and with some little kids. We also do have a little mini bar over here, so it is stocked, which is nice. Little snacks, water, soda, and also some adult beverages. And then come on out to the patio. So we are on Sunset View. There's two different views that you can get. This one you see, it's an awesome marina view. And you have a really nice little view of all of the other resorts across the marina. The other side of the hotel is an ocean view. So two different sides of the property that you can be on, both with awesome views. Just depends if you want sunrise or sunset. So hope you enjoyed the room, and we'll see you later.